Hey, welcome back. I'm Darren with Norstead Landscaping, and today we're going to be working on the 2020 RT-65. We bought new bogie wheels for it. So these are a Bear product. We're going to be changing the front bogie wheels and the last set. So that's these ones and the last set. If you were watching the last video where we were building the road with B-type 2, this is what it does to your bogie wheels. This is just with a few hours of use. Pretty much chunked that wheel right there, so that one right up in here is all chunked, and we'll see that once we pull it out. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the machine up on jack stands. So we did, and we're going to pull the tracks off, and then we can just remove these studs and change the wheels. So stay tuned. Okay, so once you get the track tensioner loosened off right there, then what we're going to do is remove the front outer bogie wheel, and then we'll pull the track off. And because we got the height, this thing will slide right out, and then we can start changing our wheels. There we go. Okay, so you can see this one here, not too much damage, so maybe resellable, I guess. I don't know. I'm not going to use those again. So let me just slide this puppy off.
Back here too?
Once you get that off, the whole thing. Tension on here. And back towards this side. Just pull it straight back so we don't have to. Straight back. Straight back. So. Okay, let's have a look at this bogie wheel now that we can see it. So that was one job using B-type 2, and you can see, just look at this one. So that's why we're going to the alloy on the back. The rest are fine because the reason why these chunk up is the rocks come in, get wedged in between the track, and that's a very tight tension point for these wheels. And when the rock gets rolled in underneath, it just chunks it right out. So we'll go to the metal, then we'll have no more issues. And same with the front ones, but the front ones, actually the first time I encountered this, the front ones were chunked up pretty good. But either something we did that prevented it, but we're gonna go ahead and change these ones as well. The rest are fine, you don't need to change them, and that's why we'll save these wheels, because we'll use this one here anyways. Once these do get damaged, but probably not for the life of the machine. So if we need to have an extra wheel, now we've got one or two. That one's no good. Okay, let's get changing on those. Okay, well, new development here. Just realized that the RT-65 is a little different than the RT-60, and that they went with a standard hub on the front wheels. And if I remember correctly, the other hub for the RT-60 is a little bit bigger, which will accommodate these larger hubs. So, in turn, basically what I have here is an extra set of wheels for my other machine, which I thought were getting a little worn out anyway, so not a big deal. But if you're doing this for the first time, be aware that the RT-65 has just the same size of hub as the intermediate wheels. So I'll have a look on their website there and make sure we get the right ones. I was gonna buy another set for the other machine anyways. The other set I have lasted 12 years, but they look a lot thinner here. Okay, well, at least the front ones aren't in bad shape, and we'll be able to reuse them for the time being. Sucks we have to do it twice, but there you go. You can take that off. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put a little bit of silicone spray between the wheel and the track, just in this area. It'll help get that wheel to slip off. Okay, try to slide it with this. There, just wiggle it now. Okay, if we just back it up, we might be able to leave it like that. We can get it off. Just leave it.
Almost sending right out.
Yeah. Watch your knuckles. Oh. There you go. Okay, now it's about, I think you can take that out now. You can, can we tension up a little bit more, or is it all the way? Yeah, that worked. Awesome. Okay, perfect. We're getting, got us closer. Now, right here. Okay, tension some more. Here, whoa. you gotta get those, it's important to get those holes lined up before it's too late. Give me that screwdriver. I think that's, okay. So now that we got the hard part, I think that's the hard part out of the way. We just, there, that was even easier than I thought. Okay. All right, so if you do end up cross-threading a nut, you can get a tap. Fortunately, we're gonna have to get a pair of vice grips or something on the end of this.
That's the only team working on the
Okay, so ran the tap through. I'm not gonna go all the way through, just until I feel that it's cleaned up a bit, just in case. It looks a lot better. So now, there, like a glove. There. So if you want to know, it's a 1/2 inch, and the pitch on the thread is 13. And that just, I cross-threaded one of them, so best not to do it, but if it happens, you need a tap. All right, so hope this video was helpful. I'll see about what's going on with the RT-65. Obviously, there's a different set of wheels for the front. I don't know if they've made these yet, because when I ordered those, I'm pretty sure they included the RT-65 in the list, but there may be a mistake on, maybe they don't know that they went to the same size of hub as the rest, which makes sense. I mean, if you're gonna make them all, why make a set of hubs different? It costs more, right? So we're just gonna tension up the track and we'll be back in business, but you can see we've got the new hubs on there. We'll check the torque on that as well. Again, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment down below. Have a great day. Darren from Norstead Landscaping. Alex and Mackenzie, thanks for helping.